In this video, I'm going to be answering the question if you can delete your Google Play Store purchase history. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is head over to my Play Store. Then I'm going to click onto my user profile, top right hand corner of the page here. Then from here, I'm going to navigate to payments and subscriptions. And then I'll click onto budget and history. Now this is where all your history is going to be, your Play Store history is going to be located at. So as you can see, this is my history. So to delete, let's see if we can delete anything. Normally you should be able to click onto it and delete, but at this time we cannot do that here. So if I go ahead and tap and hold any of these, I cannot delete it. The only way to delete all of your history is to pretty much delete your Google account. So sometime in the future they might be able to delete your history here one by one, but at this point in time you can't. You can only delete your history by deleting your whole Google account.